All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjectives. So, far, far, far. Yeah, not close, close, and not nearby. Nearby, but far away. Far. Yeah. So, how far that city is far away. You are far from me. The computer is far away. Far away. How far is the library? Yeah. I am far from here. You need to be far from there. You, I, you, they, he, she, it. Okay. So they are too far away. He is far from her. She is far from she is not far from the room. It is far away in the other room, other building even. Yeah, far away. Yeah, far away. How cool is that? How? He saw the tower and it was far away. Yes, definitely. He was walking through the park and saw the wall on the far side. On the other side. This side, that side. On the far side, other side, far away. It was far away. Yeah. We're looking, but I think it's too far from here. Maybe the exit is too far from here. I am not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah. The journey will take a few days because it is far and the roads are long. Yes. It has a long way to go. We have a far journey? No. Long journey? Yeah. We have a long journey because it is far away on the other side of the country. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So far. So go along here. It is far away. We have to follow the road. It is far away, so just follow the road. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Far. So, can you use far in a sentence? Comment below. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. And you can find me if you search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.